Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. Today I'm going to be showing you a side dish that we normally prepare for festivals and we also prepare on regular days. We have used brinjal, drumsticks and potato to prepare this side dish. It's a traditional South Indian style stir fry, you can call it. I'm going to show you from the beginning till the end. So normally when we prepare this dish, it is for festivals or it is for a large gathering. My mother has started to chop the vegetables. All the vegetables that you chop, whatever veggies you choose, it has to be in the same size. You should not chop it one large or one smaller in size. Be it brinjal, drumstick or the potato, it should be chopped in the same size. Once you chop all the veggies, place it in a pot of water. You can wash it twice and place it in a pot of water. This will avoid discoloration, and while we prepare it, it will cook faster. So now she is chopping the brinjal. She's removing the harder part of the stem and she's using only the soft outer skin of the stem, and she's also removed all the thorns in that brinjal. So here in India we get slight thorns or a first sort of material on the brinjal. Potato we have not peeled, we have just chopped it into quarters and reserved it in a pot. All the links to my blog and social media will be in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe will also be listed in the description box below this video. We'll be using curry leaves, onion, tomato, chilies, turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder. For tempering, we'll use split black gram dal, mustard seeds, cumin, red chilies. We'll also use a little bit of Asafoetida and a small piece of tamarind. We'll start preparing the vegetable. I've heated a wok on medium flame and added 2 tablespoons of oil. Here you can also use coconut oil. Once the oil reaches temperature, I'll add the cumin, mustard seeds and split black gram dal. Mustard seeds has to splutter. We'll also add dry red chilies. It will enhance the fragrance of the dish. So once all the ingredients splutter, I'll start adding the tomato, onion, chilies and curry leaves. We'll fry all the 3 ingredients till the onion turns transparent and the tomato should soften a bit. Now I'll add 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida. We'll fry all the ingredients. You can see the onion is starting to turn transparent. At this point, I'll add all the veggies. Drain it from excess water and add it directly to the pot. I'll add the turmeric powder, chili powder and coriander powder. Now I'll measure and add water. Approximately 1.5 cups of water I'll add. Adjust salt as per taste. Now we can cover this and allow the veggies to cook. A fun part about this poriyal or varal, whatever you want to call it, we can add dal and add excess water and prepare sambar the next day. So normally in our South Indian homes we prepare all these side dishes, various side dishes, but all the various side dishes will become the main dish the next day, that is after the festival is over. So now once the veggies have cooked, it took roughly about 15 to 20 minutes. I've added the tamarind pulp, about a tablespoon of tamarind pulp. Fry the veggies again and the veggies are done. We can garnish it with coriander and serve it. So all these side dishes become the main dish, becomes the main curry. Like we add all the side dishes together and prepare a sambar by just adding some dal. So this side dish, I served it recently for a spinach curry. The spinach curry recipe is also posted in the description box below this video. I'll post the link for the spinach curry in the description box below this video. We normally prepare such recipes and it's very easy to store it. These sort of side dishes, you can prepare sambar or you can serve it with roti and rice. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Share this video with your friends and family. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.